Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you the most simplest but important topic in Microsoft Excel, that is repeat the header to all print pages. This is my Excel sheet. Okay, so if I go to the file and go to the print, and here you can see that inside the print page, the sheet contains the 5 pages, and in the first page the header is basically showing. When I go to the second page of the print section, here you can see that the header is basically hide. So I want the header section on all the print pages. So this is basically our today topic agenda. So for doing this is very simple. Just go to the page layout on the top, and inside the page layout go to the print titles, and when you click on the print titles, then this pages setup window will be open, and inside this here you can see that this is rows to repeat at top. Okay, so here press on this icon, and here write the row which you want to repeat to all the pages of the print. Okay, click on this. Here you can see that by default when I click on this, it basically pick that specific row. Click again to this icon, and you can also, if you want to repeat the columns, you can also write it inside this section if you want to repeat the column. Okay, so just in this video I'm just showing this how you can repeat the only row. So therefore I click on this one and click on OK. If I again go to the file and go to the print, and here inside the print section, if I go to the second page, here you can see that the header is repeated. Okay, so this is how you can basically repeat the top header to all the print pages. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can go to the video description link, and there the video question link is basically mentioned. To just go to that specific question link, and this is my own website, this is nasisoft.com, and after creating the account you can ask any question and I will answer it to you, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.